Here we're looking at taking the derivative of the square root of s squared minus 1 minus the inverse secant of s. To find this first derivative, looking at the first term, we know that when something's written as a square root, you can also write it as a rational function raised to the 1/2 power. So next we have 1/2 s squared minus 1. Subtract 1 from the exponent, so the new exponent becomes negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside, so a little chain rule, times 2s. On to the second part, derivative of the inverse secant, 1 over absolute value of s, square root s squared minus 1. Let's do some simplifying. So we can write this negative exponent as being positive, but we also know that 1/2 times 2 gives us 1. Writing this with a positive exponent, I have s over the square root s squared minus 1 minus 1 over absolute value of s, square root s squared minus 1. So the only thing we can do now to make this a little more simple would be to get a common denominator. So the only thing missing from the left part is the absolute value of s. Now that we have a common denominator, we can write our final answer. Absolute value of s times s minus 1 all over this common denominator. Absolute value of s times the square root of s squared minus 1.